Shiba is almost at all-time high in price. It's up 54% of the day, October 7, 2021. An all-time high in price is getting closer, 14.87%. So it should hit there in the next couple of days if this surge continue. But I was asked a question the other day. Is 10 million Shiba, is that enough? Well, a couple of things. One, your next door neighbor probably does not own any SHIB. And number two, it really depends on your goals. And let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification. So if you own 10 million SHIB, this is what it's worth right now, around $337 with 4 zeros in its price. Now, I did not add any burn, or I even took out the market cap, because we're just talking about if it hits this price. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. So we're just going to focus on if it hits this price, this is what it's worth. That's it. So 10 million SHIB, $337. Let's say you started there, right? So let's continue. So the price continued to move. It still has 4 zeros in its price with a 638. Now you double your investment. So basically you basically double your investment or come close to doubling. And that's just basically just waiting off till it hits this price. So you may be happy with that. 10 million SHIB, I double my investment. Let me tell my people at work. Let me tell my grandma. Let me tell my dad. Anyway, then that's when they're gonna want it. They're gonna be like, you double your money, son, or daughter, or man. Anyway, but that's where people start really getting into stuff once you start doubling your profit. So the next thing is, let me go ahead and turn this off, is that 10 million SHIB, 3 zeros in its price, right? So look at this. 3 zeros in this price is worth $1,000. Now that's what will get people's attention. How much you put in there? Oh, I only put in $300, and it's already $1,000, and it's definitely knocked off a zero off its price. 10 million SHIB all of a sudden now doesn't sound so shabby all of a sudden because you triple potential your price. I'm not telling you it hit all these prices. I'm just showing you what it's worth with that price. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Okay, we're keeping this real simple and entertainment purposes. Just entertainment purposes, guys. So I just gotta remind you on that, because some people be like, well, what about the burn? What about the market cap? I get it. Because think about it. The burn and market cap is gonna have to make some adjustments to hit this price anyway. So, and the next one here is 10 million SHIB. 10 million SHIB. Oh my goodness. Check this out. Now it is $6,000. Now, if I go back up in here, you still have 3 zeros in this price. 3 zeros in this price with the 6 is $10 million. Not too bad at all. 3 zeros in this price though. So now you're probably thinking, whoa, that $300 investment is not too bad. Not too bad. I know. You know, just like Michael Jackson in Bad. I'm bad. I'm bad. Oh, you know it bad. Yeah, you're getting all excited about that. You bad right there. You bad if you get there. Now you really bad. Hey, if you wait it out, you got diamond hands, and you're like, you know, my goal is to get $10,000 or 10 million SHIB. Well, with that price, you know, which I believe it'll take a lot to get to that price, a lot of burn, a lot of movement, definitely. So that's what it looks like. Absolutely. So 10 million SHIB is mixed that much. So look at that. 10 million SHIB, 2 zeros in this price. And then 10 million SHIB with the 1 cent. So $100,000. Now, the whole thing, a lot of people is waiting for this. I do believe 1 cent is going to take some time. It's going to take an army. It's going to take a SHIB army. It's going to take an even bigger SHIB army and a bigger bone situation and a bigger everything to get 1 cent. Is it out of range? I don't think it is in the future. I don't believe it is in the future. If you look at the price here, it's up 54%, guys, and it haven't even started, in my opinion. It hasn't really started yet. So, but we're very early in this project. 1 cent in the future down the road. Okay. Now here's the bonus here: 10 million SHIB to $1 million if it hits 10 cents. Now that's only if it hits 10 cents. That market cap is going to be dancing, literally. That market cap going to have to be real bad. I'm bad, I'm bad, You know it, bad. Yes, gonna have to be bad. For 10 million SHIB to hit $1 million, you bad. But here's the thing. What do I think was gonna happen? In the interim, we're here right now. And I believe we're next gonna get here because we're not too far away from it. Look at this. We're not that far away from it. That's basically double where it is right now, basically. And I think right here, this is my projection by the end of the year. My projection is hitting this price here. So basically, your 10 million SHIB would be worth $1,000, basically almost triple your investment. Now, in the future, these numbers, I think these numbers is a possibility. I ain't gonna be honest with you. It's a possibility. Absolutely. So I hope you enjoy that. 10 million SHIB is not a bad thing. It's not at all. People saying, well, do I need to add more? If you're able to do that with your budget, if you're able to, sure. That's only if you're able to. If you're only able to do it and it's not, you only invest as much as you're going to lose, obviously. But if you're able to do that, heck, the more the merrier. Because think about this. If I put 20 million in here, I could just double what I'm doing. So basically already start with 675. But let's say it hits the next price movement here in my chart here. It like look at that. It just doubled my money. It just basically more money. More you invest, the more potential profits you're gonna have. That's just what it is. But don't worry if you only got 10 million SHIB because it's not that bad. Because you Michael Jackson. Because I'm bad, you bad, you know you are bad. All right, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on another video. I can't wait to see you again.